Hey everybody, Matt Van Voris here with eXp Realty again. I'm here with my good friend Nick Schneider with M&M Mortgage, and we're here to just talk about mortgage brokers as opposed to banks or other lending companies and what the advantages might be. So Nick, tell me a little bit about what a mortgage broker is and does.
Absolutely. So a mortgage broker is independent from one specific bank or one specific lender. So for us at M&M Mortgage, we have 15 lenders that we use to shop for every client that we have coming through the door, whether that's a refinance or a purchase or anything. We've got 15 options right off the bat, and it only comes from one application. So we take that information we have, we sift through our lenders to try and find the best deal we possibly can for our clients. To go along with that, compared to big banks or your retail lenders, we get wholesale pricing. So it's a little bit cheaper than if you were to go directly to a big bank or another lender, something like that.
So what's a specific example recently where you've had a client, save potentially a little bit of money on an interest rate or get a lower rate compared to, something that a bank may offer?
I had a recent client was buying a house. They were approved through a big bank. We took a look at their scenario, did all our calculations, everything like that. We were able to, it works in a couple of different ways, but we were able to either lower their interest rate with the same amount of cost by, it was in between an eighth and a quarter. And then on the same token, if they wanted the same interest rate, we could actually give them some lender credits for closing costs for part of their loan.
So when we're talking about saving an eighth of a percent or whatever the amount may be, what does that look like on a monthly payment? How much dollar per dollar do you think that would roughly calculate to?
I mean, it really depends on what your loan amount size is going to be, but if we're saying an average of $250,000, $300,000, you could be looking at, I would say, roughly $25 to $35 a month, something along those lines.
And you do the math, that adds up over a year and over a 30-year loan. Well, Nick, I appreciate you taking the time and explaining a little bit of mortgage brokerage to us. Just below us here, you can reach Nick's contact information. And if you're interested in refinancing, buying a home, get in touch with Nick. He'll be able to help you out.
Thanks a lot, Matt. Appreciate it.